Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two top contenders in the 850W range, the Corsair RM850e and the MSI MAG A850GL. Both power supplies boast impressive specifications and features, but which one truly stands out? Let's find out! When it comes to pricing, the Corsair RM850e is priced at $129, while the MSI MAG A850GL comes in at a more budget-friendly $119. This makes the MSI a more attractive option for those looking to save some money without sacrificing quality. In terms of warranty, the Corsair RM850e offers a 7-year warranty, while the MSI MAG A850GL takes the lead with a 10-year warranty. This extended warranty from MSI provides peace of mind for users looking for long-term reliability. Noise levels are another critical factor. Users have reported that the Corsair RM850e operates very quietly, making it ideal for silent builds. In contrast, some users of the MSI MAG A850GL have noted audible fan noise at idle, which may be a consideration for those prioritizing a quiet environment. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM850e and MSI MAG A850GL are excellent choices for your power supply needs. The Corsair may be better suited for those who value quiet operation and premium build quality, while the MSI offers great value with its longer warranty and lower price. Choose the one that fits your needs